Are you looking for the coolest and most useful car gadgets that will completely transform your driving experience? From powerful chargers to smart car tech, safety lights, and even quick repair kits, today we're diving into 6 must-have car accessories that every driver should own. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. 4-in-1 car charger. This is not just an ordinary car charger. It's a 4-in-1 car charger with an impressive 120-watt high-power output that charges your devices at lightning speed. What makes it extra special is the retractable cable design, complete with a built-in LED light. No more tangled cables or fumbling in the dark. You simply pull out the cable, charge, and retract it back with ease. It also includes a starry sky spotlight that creates a beautiful ambient atmosphere inside your car while driving at night. With universal compatibility, this charger works perfectly with iPhone, Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung, and many more devices. This is convenience and style in one small device. Number 5. Wireless CarPlay adapter. Meet the wireless CarPlay adapter that takes your in-car entertainment and navigation to the next level. If you're tired of messy cables and plugging in your phone every time, this dongle is a game changer. It transforms your wired CarPlay system into a wireless one, letting you connect seamlessly and automatically every time you start your car. Compatible with top car brands like Audi, VW, Benz, Kia, Honda, Toyota, and Ford, it ensures smooth connectivity and stable performance. Now you can enjoy music, maps, calls, and Siri hands-free without the hassle of cables. Number 4. Hand tire repair. Flat tire on the road? No worries with the hand tire repair kit. This compact yet powerful set comes with everything you need to fix punctures quickly and effectively. With either a 33-piece or 58-piece set, it's suitable for car owners, enthusiasts, and professionals. The durable tools and easy-to-use design make it perfect for emergencies at home or while traveling. Having this kit in your car means you'll never be stranded with a flat tire again. It's peace of mind packed in a portable box. Number 3. Engine remote start. Imagine starting your car with just your smartphone. That's exactly what the engine remote start system offers. This smart keyless ignition kit gives you complete control with features like one-key start-stop, smartphone app control, and PKE keyless entry. It even comes with intelligent oil pump startup detection to make sure your engine starts safely. Perfect for modern drivers who want convenience. This kit adds both luxury and technology to your daily routine. Just imagine stepping into a car that's already warmed up in winter or cooled down in summer. Pure comfort. Number 2. LED police lights. For added safety and visibility, the LED police lights are an essential accessory. Designed for emergency situations like fog, rain, snow, or dust, these lights provide super bright strobe effects with 8 high-power LEDs. They can be mounted easily on your windshield with a plug-and-play cigarette lighter socket. With a long stretchable cable and durable build that withstands extreme temperatures, these warning lights ensure your car is always visible when it matters most. Whether you're driving at night or facing poor weather, this tool could save lives. Number 1. Wireless strobe light. Last but definitely not least is the wireless strobe light, a remote-controlled warning lamp that's versatile enough for cars, motorcycles, drones, and even boats. It's designed to prevent collisions with its high-visibility flashing lights. The wireless remote control makes it extremely convenient to use, and its lightweight design means you can mount it almost anywhere, whether for emergency signaling or added safety. This gadget is a must-have for drivers who care about protection and visibility. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.